Good morning, everyone. So the stars of today. So yes, the moon now is definitely in Cancer. So it's its place, and that's where it belongs. So it's all about emotions, well-being, family, and really looking after the self and looking after others. So if you've been thinking about that, in helping others and making people feel good, or looking after yourself, looking after your loved ones, is definitely the time. It might be a little bit emotional, so things might be coming out simply because it is linked with the emotion. The moon is all about that, and it's all about the emotions. So if things come up, look after them, analyze them, and try to turn that into a positive. I know that behind the scene, a lot of people have been saying, oh, Muriel, you're saying that the stars are good this week, but we are still feeling tired and all that. Well, we are into massive retrogrades, two of them. Venus is retrograde, three of them, with Saturn. So yes, it's massive. It's all about soul searching and your own purpose on this earth and your own karma and what you do and why you are here for. So that will be coming right to the core. It's been very, very obvious lately for a lot of people around me why we are here and what is our mission and what we need to do and what is the real reason why we are here on this planet. So these are a good question to ask yourself, because that is definitely the work that the stars are making us do with all those retrogrades. At the end of the day, Saturn is all about that, the core of yourself, who you really are, and going inwards into your soul, knowing who you are, what is your purpose on this earth. Then you've got Jupiter, the planet of expansion, which is also, expanding from inside. So it's all about self-expansion and really knowing who you are and what you want to do. And Venus as well, with your feelings and your emotion, really analyzing them and going towards that. So because of that new moon that we do have in Cancer, and and all those good aspects that we've had with that new moon and communication, the fact that we are in Gemini and all that, it's time to talk. It's time to share those emotions, open up and talk to the people that are around you, that matters, about what you want to do, who you are, what are your intentions, why you do this, why you do that. If there's a time to explain things, use that for the moment, and also keep on doing some more soul searching about yourself. It's extremely important because that's where we are at now, and that's what the work needs to be done. So so that is one thing. The second thing is that I would be using that also to have a great time in your family. So, when it's in Cancer, it's all about food, it's all about nice meals. So maybe you could have tonight spending it cooking or going to a nice restaurant if it's open around where you are at, the favorite food of the family, really having a good time, because that is a good time, Cancerian are pretty much about food, and it can be a very nice healthy food, but whatever makes the family happy, that's where I will go. I would just say, even if it's, greasy fish and chips or things like that, it's great to have some once in a while, as long as you are having something that everyone is enjoying and bonding across, that's what I would be doing tonight, definitely. And that would be the whole idea of having that really strong bonding family time, or with your loved ones, or with your friends, people that you really care about, and spending that time bonding, because that's what it's all about. Or otherwise, if you do feel tired, because a lot of you have been telling me, yes, but I do feel tired, which is completely normal with that retrograde, let go, don't try to fight it and say, oh, I've got to do this, I've got to do that. If the stars are making you stop, or they're already starting to make you slow down, just let it go, because the more you are going to be swimming against the tide, the more exhausted you are going to be. And I can't even tell you suddenly there's going to be, a boost of energy. No, we're going to go towards another retrograde, which is massive. It's Mercury, when everyone feels even more tired, and where communication might be more complicated, and all those kind of things. So you definitely want to be letting go and analyzing what's going on, but enjoying the ride in a positive way, not in a negative way. Otherwise, you're going to make yourself sick and you're going to be exhausted. So take all those vitamins, eat healthy. In Cancer, it's all about that, having good food as well, nourishing the body from inside. Eat really nice things. Well, if it's with the kids, as I said, have fun as well. But otherwise, look after your health. Be very healthy, conscious of that, of your body, what it needs, because we are going towards those retrogrades. And again, it's really, really, the whole thing is about soul searching. The reason being is that when we will move forwards, a lot of people are also going to need help. It is the reconstruction of the world, right? And we're going to be moving forwards, and a lot of people are going to need help. And it's going to move forwards after that to 2021. Especially from November, it's going to go very, very fast and moving forwards. And in that case, it would be the time to really, do that building. We will have also a time in September that will be good, but it will be with Mars retrograde, so not the best for business. But yeah, in between, keep on functioning with what you are doing. Don't put too much pressure on yourself, and do that soul searching and analyze if you can, because it is really what the universe is going to ask us to do. And if you can take some time off when we'll be in Mercury retrograde, I strongly suggest to do that. I know not everyone can afford to do that. If you can, just do it, or at least during that time, take it really, really easy, because you will be dealing with 4 retrogrades, which will be massive. Okay, but today is great, so enjoy this week. This week is still very, very good. There's some awesome stars, so enjoy it and have a great time with your family and your loved ones, and talk, communicate, and share your feelings, and have all that great time. It's really the time to do that. Thank you. Talk to you soon. Bye.